The Amazingly Adapted Arctic Fox by Guy Balleranti. A fascinating hunter makes its home in the Arctic tundra. The fluffy white mammal is known to leap high in the air before pouncing on the burrow of its suspected prey. After a few seconds of furious digging, the small hunter emerges from the snow-covered ground with a tasty snack, a lemming. What animal uses such acrobatic hunting techniques? The Arctic fox. Arctic foxes live in all regions of the northern Arctic. You might be surprised to learn that Arctic foxes don't hibernate even though their habitat is very cold. They live in underground burrows and are active throughout the year. These foxes are amazingly adapted for their habitat. Thick, multi-layered fur keeps them extra warm. In winter, this coat is white or occasionally blue-gray. This provides camouflage in the snow and ice. In summer, the coat turns a brown-gray, helping the foxes blend in with rocks and small Arctic tundra plants. Arctic foxes have a big fluffy tail. This tail makes a great scarf. Meanwhile, their furry paws, small ears, and a short muzzle helps prevent heat loss. The fur on the bottom of their paws keeps them from slipping when they run across ice. As winter approaches, Arctic foxes increase their body fat by eating as much as they can. This fat provides extra insulation and energy. What do Arctic foxes eat? Since these animals are omnivores, they eat other animals. Lemmings, hares, small birds, fish, as well as eggs, and plants, berries and seaweed. When food is scarce, they eat the scraps left behind by polar bears and wolves. Arctic foxes can find prey above ground or beneath the snow because of their excellent senses of hearing and smell. Arctic foxes usually mate for life. The mother gives birth to 5, 10 or even more pups. Both parents raise the pups in underground dens that often include a network of many tunnels.